Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning how to make this monochromatic art piece. If you'd like to learn how to make your own, stay tuned for more details. For this project, you're going to need a piece of heavier weight paper, a pencil, a paintbrush, some water, and some paint. I'm using watercolor paint because that's what I have available, but I prefer to use a thicker paint like a tempera or acrylic paint. Because we're doing monochrome, there are only 3 things you need: the color of your choice, white, and black. When you look at the mountains on a sunny day, you can see a long ways, and the further away the mountains are, the lighter they appear. Our picture is going to be the same thing. The back is going to be very light in color, and the foreground, the front of the picture, is going to be very dark. I'm going to start with my pencil and trace out the lines of where I want them to be. Remember, it's more interesting to your eye if not everything meets up in the middle. Let's get started. I'm pretty happy with my pencil lines. Some of that is going to get smoothed out when I paint over top because I'm not going to be able to be as precise with my brush as I am with my pencil. I'm going to start at the very back because that way I won't get paint all over my arm, and I remember that I'm going lightest at the top to darkest at the bottom. Let's go. My painting is still fairly wet at the bottom, but it's pretty dry on the top. I'm going to very carefully put in a tree on my painting. I'm only going to put one. I'm not going to put a whole bunch because using watercolor, anytime I add wet to the painting, it's going to move around all of the paint underneath. I'm just going to give the idea of a tree. Let me show you what I mean. There you have it, a monochrome watercolor painting. If you do your own, I'd love to see what it looks like. You can upload it to Teams or send it to me in an email.